Okay, in a separate video, I show the public how to set up a pump system for this pond that runs on solar power. Sorry about the sunlight there. There you go. So that panel right there, for purpose of clarification, charges this battery, and the charge controller runs the pump. Okay, so everything's run off the battery, as you can see, but that's the most important part right there. It's the charge controller, and I'll tell you why in a separate video. Just look at here's the video address right here. But this is on a timer, and it goes on once every hour. And there you go, the pump just went on, and you can see it's not a lot of water, but it's enough to circulate through the pond. And of course, if you add bigger pumps, you can have more water. This is going through a long line, so that's part of why it's coming out so slow. But also, it's a small pump. But it's enough again to get the water circulating once it starts coming downstream back into the pump. But the owners would like to see a lot more water coming out, and so there is a bigger pump also in there in the pump room, and it starts really producing a shower. What they'd like to do is see this on a timer, so that they have more circulation and aeration for the fish. Okay, so the problem I have for Sparky, what I'd like to get some feedback on, is the pump and the filter need to be on at the same time. I took the cover off so you can see they're both on right now, to run efficiently. And I'm getting ready to put this timer above it so that it will just go on whenever you need it to. Now the problem is we want to be able to override this timer. Let's say, for instance, they want to run one or the other without having two timers. Is that possible? Is there a way to do that? Okay, so I'm waiting for your feedback. I know any good electrician could solve this problem for me. We want one timer to operate both devices, the pump and the filter, and we also want to be able to override this, not just with this on-off button, but perhaps below there, so that we can still turn on and off the pump. Okay, thanks. We need to make these fish happy.